In this video, I am going to show you how to install Kodi on your Samsung TV easily and quickly. First, ensure that your Samsung Smart TV is connected to the internet and powered on. Since Kodi is not available in the Samsung Smart Hub, you will need to use an alternative method to install it. One popular method is to use a streaming device like Fire Stick or Android TV box connected to your Samsung TV. If you have one of these devices, simply install Kodi directly from the respective app store. If you prefer to use your Samsung TV directly, you can download and install an Android emulator like SmartThings on your PC, and then mirror it to your TV. To do this, download the Kodi APK file from the official Kodi website on your PC. Next, open the SmartThings app on your Samsung TV and use the screen mirroring feature to mirror your PC screen. Once your PC is mirrored, open the Kodi APK file on your PC, and it will run on your Samsung TV. After Kodi is installed, you can start enjoying your favorite content by configuring it with your preferred add-ons and settings. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.